Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel if this is not your first visit, where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I don't know if some people know, say, somehow we think in the Jamaican language, where we grow up called Patwa. Somehow we not really think in English. So, when we read the Bible in the Jamaican language, it make it easier to understand it direct instead of somebody have to explain something else to it. Yes. So, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, do me a favor, click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with as many people as you can, because you don't know who I think in a Patwa. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a very good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss any of what is happening right here, 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
You ever wonder how you can tell if one tree good? Well, listen to the passage here from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 7 from verse 15 to verse 23. Watch out for false prophet too. Then come to no go on like them a sheep, but in a them heart, them are like a wicked wild wolf. Uno we know who they really be, sake of the fruit where them bear. People no pick grape off a maca bush and pranganat off a maca tree. As same so all of the good tree them bear good fruit, and the bad tree them, for them fruit no good. One good tree can't bear bad fruit, and one bad tree can't bear good fruit. Not no go so. Every tree when it bear good fruit, it get chopped down and dash in the fire. So the fruit where them bear are gonna make you know who are who. I know everybody will come to me and call, Lord, I go get fi come turn one of them where God rule over, Only the people them will do when my Father in heaven want. Panda day, a whole heap of people are gonna come and say, Lord, when they use for your name and tell people what God say. And we use your name, run out demon too, and the whole heap of powerful sitting. Not true. But I go and say to them, say, me no know you none at all. Go from your so. All you no do, I broke God law. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.